Ready to ditch those clunky spreadsheets and embrace the power of cloud-based collaboration. First things first, let's get your Excel file ready. Open your spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. Navigate to the File menu in the top left corner. Then, click on Save As. Now, in the Save As dialog box, you'll see a drop-down menu for file types. We're going to save this as a comma-separated values file, often called a CSV. Click on the drop-down and select CSV, delimited. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save this new CSV file and click Save. Now, head over to Google Drive. You can access it by going to Drive a Google account and signing in with your Google account. Click on the New button, and then select File Upload. Find the CSV file you just saved and select it. Google Drive will now upload your file. Once it's finished, you'll see it appear in your Drive list. Double-click on your uploaded CSV file. It will likely open in a preview mode. Look for the Open With button at the top. Click on Open With and then select Google Sheets from the options. And there you have it. Your Excel spreadsheet is now a fully functional Google Sheet, ready for editing and collaboration. You can now share it, add team members, and enjoy seamless access from any device.